To create the main corridor model, use the design alignment and profile along with the previously created driveway assembly. From the corridor tools in the ribbon, select corridor. In the create corridor dialog, specify a unique and meaningful name for your corridor model. Select the baseline alignment and its respective design profile. Select the driveway assembly, then select the target surface. This can be set to none until you have finished modeling the interior grading of your driveway corridor. Put a check mark next to set baseline and region parameters, then click OK. In the baseline and region parameters, specify the default frequencies. Click the ellipsis button in the region frequencies column, then set the interval of frequencies for the horizontal and vertical curve. Lowering these frequencies will increase the accuracy of the corridor model through the curve regions. When you are all set, click OK. Click OK to again to save the corridor parameters and rebuild the corridor. In the driveway modeling workflow used in this course, the corridor top surface will be instrumented to set initial driveway grids and to validate triangulation of your corridor model. To create the corridor top surface, use the corridor contextual tools. In the ribbon, select corridor surfaces. In the corridor surfaces dialog, add a new surface. Specify a unique name for the corridor surface. Then select the surface style that you want to apply. In the data type list, select links. Then select the top code and add it into the surface definition. Toggle on add as baseline, then use top links for the overhang correction. The add as baseline settings will influence triangulation in the driveways, as you will see in the later videos. On the boundaries tab, use the contextual menu to add a boundary. Select corridor extends as outer boundary. When you are all set, click OK, then click rebuild the corridor. You will notice the corridor surface displays under the corridor object. To simplify the corridor and improve performance while you model the driveways, you can limit the corridor display. This can be done by turning off baseline and regions where you are not working or by limiting regions to a shorter distance. To edit a corridor region, use the grips, select your corridor model, then activate the triangle or diamond grip to refine the region limits. Use these grips at the start and end region to limit your corridor model to the immediate area of interest. When you are finished with your driveway corridor model, validate the corridor top surface. Select the corridor surface, then open the object viewer. In the object viewer, pitch and rotate your corridor model to validate the key break lines, like the crown of the roadway and the curb gutter details. You will frequently use the object viewer to validate your driveway grading as you progress in this workflow.